friends, this is the Axe signature. I have purchased it from Paytm. Perfume. This is a combo model. You'll get it from Axe. For a single piece, it will be around 250 rupees. But this is a combo pack, which I have got it for 400 rupees from Paytm. This is the unboxing video. Let's check what's there inside. And we have a offer also in this one. Let's see what's the offer is there. So this is my receipt. I'll just keep this one. This is very helpful. Do not throw it. I'll just unbox this one. There's a good packing from Paytm, so that the product does not get damaged in the cargos. Yes, they are opened. Yeah, excellent packing. This is the Axe signature with the bubble proof packing. Wow, there's a bottle inside. Superhero snipper zipper inside. This is the 2 Axe combo. See, you can see the MRP as 500 rupees and recently packed, but I have got it in Paytm for only 400 rupees. But in that one you will get a zipper bottle. Let's see how the bottle looks like. I'll just open this one. That's a good packing from Axe as well. Let's open this. Yeah. First, I'll show about the bottle. This bottle looks good. After that, I'll show the perfume bottles. This is offer. This one look nice. Captain America bottle. This is good for kids as well as the adults. Good looking bottle with a nice tight cap for this one. Nice one. This is a steel bottle. You can use it daily to your office or school or somewhere. Nice product. Okay, let's go to the perfume bottles. This is the Axe signature collection Maverick flavor for cost 250 rupees. And another one I have got it, Axe signature champion. This is another one which also costs you 250 rupees. So both these flavors are pretty good. You can go for this. I hope this video helps you for purchasing a new Axe signature combo. Thank you.